there, this is Rachel from Write with Rachel, and today we are doing our 10-minute story sprint. I'm going to flip my hourglass and I'm going to write a story live in 10 minutes or less. Hourglass, let's get the story started. Hi, I'm Tara, and I just got a call from a woman who said she's my editor and she's demanding, at least that's how she sounded on the phone, that I send her my finished draft. The problem is I can't find it. I have a blank spot in my memory from last night, and okay, for a few days prior, and I don't remember having an editor or an agent, but I do remember writing a novel. But I wrote that novel in my dream. I do remember that. It was a novel about a first grade teacher who goes to help one of her students with the girl's backpack. Something falls out, but the teacher doesn't realize it until the classroom is empty. When she picks it up, it looks like an old-fashioned thumb drive. She puts it in her desk drawer and she emails the students' parents to let them know that she has it and that she can send it home with their daughter Jenny the next day. Sounds like a great plot, right? So I know I wrote this novel, but I know I wrote it in my dreams. I can't seem to find a copy of it anywhere. I've searched my computer. I've searched my file drawers. And when I search my brain, all I get to is the part where the teacher emails the parents. It's like I wrote a novel with no ending. The phone rings again. Hello? This time, it's my agent. He tells me that if I can get the script to him stat, he can get me into a huge bidding war. Apparently, someone in Hollywood is so crazy over this novel that I wrote in my dream, and I don't even know what the ending is. What is going on? I take a deep breath and I try to relax and think, where could the novel be? My therapist calls to tell me that I've missed our appointment. But that can't be true. I look at the calendar. It's not till next week. I tell her goodbye. Then I get another call. What is wrong with these people? Why would they just leave me alone? This time, it's Ben, the father of Jennifer, the girl in the story. Tara, he says urgently. It's okay if you can't find the novel. All I really need to know is where is the thumb drive. I'm confused. Am I an author? Am I a character? Am I a teacher? It's in the desk drawer. I sputter. He growls at me. No, it's not. We already checked there. And that's the end of my story for the day. Obviously, we still have more to tell about Tara and her dream novel. Feel free to finish the story. Take it in whatever direction you would like. If you enjoyed writing with me today, I would encourage you to subscribe to Write with Rachel. At Write with Rachel, we love taking the blank page and making it beautiful. Remember, you can download your free version of the Tilt template. You'll find the link in the description below this video. Thanks for being here with me today, and I will see you again soon.